What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Out here in shop again today. Today we're doing something a little bit different. We're messing with the coupe today. We're going to get rid of this fitech that Spike has lost all hope and faith in.
Thanks.
Got to go back to what we know. He's going to put the carburetor back on it. It's the old carburetor. Actually, it's the old Demon we used to have. Yeah, I've had that on Sunshine.
Golly, man, it's been on the truck.
You had it on Philo? Yeah, that thing's
works like a champ.
It's kind of the little bastard child of all the cars we got. But
Nobody likes the guy.
That thing's always rock and rolled though. It's always been good to us.
It's never failed.
Believe it or not, for a Barry Grant, it's never given us problems, never failed on us. Has always worked. It's always been the go-to.
What it's going to do on this thing, this is just a cruiser, you know, if it makes 10 pounds boost, we're plenty on this. And
if it makes 10 pounds of boost, you're going to be in trouble on this.
I'm already in trouble at 6. It makes 10, but...
So what we're going to do is we're going to take the fitech off of here, this fuel injection, get it off of here, get the carburetor back on it, hook everything back up, hopefully get a little better throttle response out of it. This thing's left him stranded probably 2 or 3 times out on the road, and it's always got some kind of learning issue with it.
Yeah, that's what anybody asks, why are you going to change it? Love the fitech, it works great. The problem I run into is I had a fuel delivery issue. We got that squared away. I don't know what it is, but it acts like it loses the signal to the ECU every once in a while. You're driving, cruise around, 5th gear, cruising, having a good time, all of a sudden, blah, and fire, and it gets going again. So, to eliminate the problem, I'm going to put the carb on here, see if that squares the problem away or around, and
in theory,
and go from there.
You know it's going to get hung up on everything.
Of course, every damn thing's going to get hung up.
Yeah, just right here.
Would you stop?
You still got the zip tie, of course.
Oh, hey, you know?
We thought it was going to be a reveal of taking this thing off. They're over there on the tire. Weight reduction.
Yeah.
7 pounds of zip ties.
Oh, absolutely. Absolutely, sir.
Always a finished product. Holy crap, dude.
Hey, man. No, this baby looking...
You don't have to worry about anything blowing off.
Harbor Freight, you get these cheap at Harbor Freight, people. There we go. That goes there, that goes there. Hold your roll, hold your roll.
Okay, one final minus fitech. Gone. What's that metal doing down in there?
It's supposed to be.
Alright, got fitechs off of it. Get the carburetor out, start putting it back together, all the fittings on it, and get it slapped back together. Carburetor's on it. All we gotta do now is take a trip out to our favorite store, head out to Summit, get us a regulator to mount over there. Gotta get a carburetor return style regulator for this. Get a few fittings. Other than that, I think that's all.
Think that's gonna be it?
Yeah, that's gonna be everything we need to get this thing rolling, get back, get this put on here, and take it out.
Roll.
Alright guys, back from Summit. Got a regulator, got all the fittings we need. I'm sure we forgot something.
Yeah, exactly.
Alright guys, we're gonna get this thing all put together, get it back on the car. Hopefully try to get it. If it doesn't get too late, we'll take it out. I mean,
yeah.
One way or the other, we're gonna take it out and get a couple of hits in it. All right, guys, got the regulator mounted up where we want it. All we gotta do now is make it a couple of lines, start routing everything around, get some fuel to it, and start it up. Oh, that all looks good. It turned out nice.
Come on, dude.
So all we got left is we just got to drill the hat.
Drill the hat.
The boost reference line.
loose reference line. Yep. That's
we should be able to start it.
And I'm going to plug this guy. Remember to do that. Head on.
Let's drill the head and get it going.
Yep.
All right, everything buttoned up. Just gonna check for fuel leaks real quick. Make sure we're not gonna catch anything on fire.
Yeah.
Just putting that out there.
Not on this. Not on this one.
Okay.
All right.
Check the pump.
He's going in neutral.
Yeah, I didn't hear a pump kick on when you turned it on.
Mm-hmm. Hang on, because I gotta figure out the wiring now. I was wired to the fitech.
The pump's wired through the fitech?
I think so. So I'm gonna have to go back there and mess with that. So.
Okay.
We'll be with you in a minute.
All right, guys. Technical difficulties. We'll be back in just a second. All right, guys. Day number 2.
Day 2.
Back at it. We found a little wiring issue yesterday. What it was is all the pump and everything was wired through the fitech, so it lost its relay up at the top. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna tie back into the relay. Found the pump wire going down there. We'll get that hooked back up. Should be able to start it right back up without a problem. All right, guys, here we go. Checking fuel pressure again. Let it rip. Pump it. Nothing. All right, guys, take number, is this what?
725.
Yeah, somewhere around in there. I think it's 11. Let's try this again. Really? Okay.
Well, what? Yeah, what? Yeah. What, take again? No.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that bowl looks good. It's still a little high, it's up in the 3rd ring, but that'll allow you to get into it. All right, guys. That's the example. All right, guys, we're gonna get in, take it out for a test drive, see what she does.
Definitely runs a whole lot better on the bottom end than it did with the fitech. We got to lower the fix that throttle return spring. Put a stiffer one on there. Other than that, guys, we're pretty good.
I'm gonna follow, but also you left the garage door open. You left all that. I'm like, okay, I guess.
Yeah, I was just going around the block. Hell, I got a good neighborhood.
Well,
yeah, I mean, it's good. Does good. Runs way better down low. It obviously need to put a stronger return spring. Oh, that's warm.
Yeah.
Put a stronger return spring on there. That's the main thing.
Did you hit it?
Hit it. It pulls okay. Not as good as the fitech did right now, but like I say, I only hit it one time.
Now.
Hitting it down the street here, starting to clear up a little bit. It's not breaking up or anything like that. It almost seems like it has a little bit, you know, because you jetted it up way back.
Right.
So it might have a little bit more jet than what it needs for this setup, but not laying over, not banging, not popping. So I mean,
yeah, no, I had a jet
this thing. This is a cruiser, and you know, if I you put a stronger spring on there, pull the idle down a little bit.
The drivability was fine.
Drivability is way fine, and I'm not knocking the fitech, but actually better than the fitech down low.
Yeah, I jetted it way up back because I had it for wide open throttle, 27 pounds of boost. So.
Yeah, it was on sunshine there for a while there, so I mean nothing's leaking. But what if I pull this idle down there, like I said, with a stronger spring? Other than that,
that's good. All right, guys, that's success for us. That's going to do it for us today. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. We will catch you guys on the next one.
There we go, guys.